Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious hard-boiled sweets at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of water, and your favorite flavoring, perhaps peppermint or lemon. You'll also need a heavy-bottomed saucepan, a candy thermometer, and a greased baking sheet or silicone molds. Make sure all your tools are sparkling clean and ready to go for a smooth candy-making experience. Now let's get cooking. In your heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine 2 cups of granulated sugar with 1/2 cup of water. Place the pan over medium heat and stir gently until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. This step is crucial for a smooth candy texture. Once dissolved, stop stirring, insert your candy thermometer, and continue heating until the syrup reaches precisely 295 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage. The moment your syrup hits 295 degrees Fahrenheit, remove it from the heat right away. This prevents overcooking. Now, quickly and carefully stir in 1 teaspoon of your chosen flavoring, like vanilla extract or a fruit essence, and a few drops of food coloring if you desire. Work swiftly, as the syrup will begin to set. Pour the hot mixture onto your greased baking sheet or into your prepared silicone molds, being very cautious of the heat. Finally, the waiting game. Let your poured sweets cool completely at room temperature. This usually takes at least 30 minutes, or until they are completely firm and brittle. Once cooled, you can easily break or cut the candy into your preferred bite-sized pieces. To keep your delicious creations fresh and prevent them from becoming sticky, store them in an airtight container at room temperature. Enjoy your homemade hard-boiled treats.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.